What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to a More Than Hype unboxing and review, and today we're going to be taking a look at a pair of Dunk Highs. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. More Than Hype is all about bringing you detailed reviews of new releases as well as sneakers from the past. All my videos follow this order, so with that said, let's get into this one, starting with the packaging. And these come in a standard Nike sportswear box, so nothing really notable here. I think we've all seen these, so I'll just move on to the label here. So now looking at the label, official name of these is Nike Dunk High Retro. Official colors, white, game royal, and total orange, which you'll see in a second, including that total orange color seems a little bit gratuitous. Style code for these is DD1399102. Retail price was $110. As far as sizing goes, I find that dunks, both high and lows, not SBs, just regular dunks, run true to size. So 8.5 is my true size in Nikes. That's what I wear in Air Maxes. I got that here, and I like the fit. Far as sizing for women's go, the size conversion is always 1.5 sizes up. So this 8.5 in men's would be a 10 in women's. And with all that out of the way, let's take a look at the shoes. So open up the box, nothing on the paper, but here we have the shoes. A really classic color blocking with some vibrant color for the overlays and white on the underlays. So let's take a look at the Game Royal or the Kentucky Dunk Highs. Whenever they put this really simple and clean color blocking on a Dunk High, it always comes out good in my opinion. So starting with the upper, all the overlays here are in this Game Royal colored leather. Then on the underlays, we have this white leather here, as well as on this quarter panel going all the way up here around the heel collar. Quality of the materials themselves is similar, if not exactly the same as other recent Dunk releases. Taking a closer look here, you can kind of see it has that sort of pressed look. It feels like in my hands that this blue leather here, that's the overlays, is slightly better quality than what you get on the toe box here or in any of these areas where you have that smooth white leather. But overall, it's not something that I'm surprised about. Nike doesn't really have a reputation of great quality sneakers, especially on something like this, which although a lot of people will complain that it's hard to get dunks, this is supposed to be a general release. You have all your overlays in this Game Royal and then white on the underlays. On the back, your heel tab, of course. One quirk about Dunk Highs that I always liked is that unlike Jordan 1s, this piece around the heel collar is actually not attached to the shoe itself. So instead of it being stitched on, it's just sort of there. These come stock with flat Game Royal colored laces, nothing on the aglets, and being a GR, these also don't include an extra set of laces. Your tongue is in a synthetic, and then you have a Nike label up top. On the back, some licensing. On the inside, it's all in Game Royal, except that total orange. Yeah, that's what that's for. Just that one. I've checked all over this shoe. This is the only place I could find any orange color. So, not sure why Nike had to include that. Like I was saying, seems unnecessary. But there you have it. They weren't lying. You get a little bit of total orange right there. And I have a suspicion the fact that these released with the Syracuse colorway, they had a couple of these stamps left over. So this was a little bit of cost cutting from Nike. Either way, does look nice in contrast with the blue. Moving on to the midsole, outsole. Exactly what you'd expect from any Dunk. Stitching in white, and then of course your Game Royal sole here. Overall, I'm really glad that I was able to get my hands on a classic silhouette in this classic colorway. Other than an update to the materials used here, there's not much else that I can complain or gripe about. For now, it's really interesting to me that the resale price of these aren't as high as I expected them to be. Although that's exactly the same thing that happened to the Storm Blue Jordan 1s when they first released. I remember when those first released, nobody wanted them. In fact, I remember seeing them on sale for as low as $90. Really curious to see how this pans out. Dunk hype does not seem to be following Jordan 1 hype, but the silhouettes are very similar, so only time will tell. That's all I have to say about these. Now let's take an on-feet look. And that brings us to the end of this review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sneaker related content, and I'll catch you on the next video.